I'm gonna go with a new color.
The new color.
Some new color.
Okay. Apa khabar semua, Jason Smashpop di sini dan sekarang saya ada di KLIA, okey. Tarikh hari ni 6 hari bulan September, jam 6.30 pagi, okey. Dan kenapa saya ada di KLIA? Sebab saya akan terbang ke Apple ataupun Apple headquarter di Cupertino, California untuk melihat pelancaran iPhone terbaru untuk tahun ini 2022, okey. Tapi sekarang terlalu awal, so kena makan breakfast, makan sarapan pagi dulu di business lounge ni. Jom. Okey, kita ada kat boarding gate sekarang, nak berlepas dalam 15 minit. Dan di sini saya ada Nana. Apa khabar Nana?
Hi.
Are you excited? Teruja-uja nak pergi tengok Apple
I'm very excited to go Apple, tapi I'm very sleepy also.
Sebab kenapa sekarang pukul 7 pagi saja dan Nana tak tidur
Betul.
Jom kita.
I'm also very excited for the breakfast.
Sebab kita akan naik business class.
Betul.
Kelas gitu.
Kelasnya.
Okey, masa sekarang 4 petang, 6 hari bulan September. Dan kini kita ada di lapangan terbang Narita. Halfway, dah siap halfway lagi ke Apple Park di Cupertino, okey. Okay guys, baru sahaja sampai di hotel. Nama hotel ni DA Maswell, okay. So sekarang kita akan check in ke dalam bilik dulu. Saya tunjukkan anda rupa bilik saya. Lepas tu saya nak tidur lah, okay, sebab dah letih, okay. Jumpa anda lepas ni. I thought you were going to say more things.
Yeah, they're fine. They said they're fine. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. And this is Nikias, if you don't know. So we are actually heading to Apple event today.
Yes.
And are you excited?
Man, I've got my badge ready. So. Yes.
Oh, why is your badge orange?
Because it's yellow. Hi.
Oh, it's yellow.
Hi.
Because it's lemon thyme, right?
I hope you guys enjoy his Apple event.
Okay, dan saya sekarang bersama YouTuber Jepun terkenal yang saya sangat-sangat sukakan, Nama dia Yusuke. This is it. Hi Yusuke.
Nice to meet you. I'm Yusuke, Japanese YouTuber.
Yes.
And entrepreneur.
Okay, nak makan dah. Jumpa anda nanti. Oh, ada lagi. Ini dia tag Apple yang baru saya dapat, nampak ni. Deng. Ada ni, boleh masuk Apple Park, Okay, so kita baru saja naik bus on the way to Apple Park. Excited or not?
Very excited.
What are you excited to check out?
Semua. I don't know how to say because this is my first time. I do not know what to expect. So, everything.
Morning. Hi, good morning. Hi, morning. Good morning. Welcome.
Morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so I'm currently with iJustine. Hi.
Hello.
And are you excited about today?
Oh my gosh, yes. And it's crazy because this is like the hottest, I think, temperature
Right.
the Bay Area has ever seen. So
Yeah.
it's only fitting.
So do you know what is being announced today?
I mean, I'm going to assume the iPhone 14. Wouldn't that be a surprise if they decided, not this year?
Okay. Cool, just checking if the mic is
yep,
working.
good.
Yep, the
Yeah.
mic is here. Okay, thank you very much, Justin. Okay, I'm currently with Sarah, Andrew, and Marquez. I'm going to check with them if they're excited and what are they excited about.
Oh, I mean iPhone 14 Pro.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes, 100%.
Not the
also,
Max.
AirPods. Maybe AirPods. That's all
Maybe.
I got.
Wondering, yeah.
Andrew?
Apple Watch Pro.
Apple Watch
I
Pro.
want to see how expensive it is. I think it'll be fun. It looks
Alright.
kind of weird based on the leak so far too. So
Yeah.
Okay. Marquez?
Well, I feel like they've taken all of the answers now, so I'm gonna go with a new color.
The new color.
Some new color.
Okay. Not the purple?
I mean, I think, but maybe I'm
Gone
wrong.
blue, green, blue. It only makes sense if it's green this
It's
time.
gotta be green.
Correct, it's gonna be green. Listen to Marcus. Alright. And we have a special appearance by Saf.
Hey, man. Good to see you, man.
What's up, SuperSaf?
Hey, good,
What are
good,
you
man.
looking forward to today?
I'm looking forward to the pill.
What pill?
The pill.
The pill. The pill that you're gonna hang on to, right?
Yes, that's the one. That's the one.
A new
Let's see
pill
what we
for
can do with
SuperSaf.
that, Yeah, looking forward to it. Should be good.
Okay, I'm with the tech chap. What's up, tech chap?
What's up?
What's up, Tom?
What's up?
Are you excited about today?
I am very excited. I want iPhones.
You want iPhones? Do you want pro level Apple Watches?
I want a watch that lasts longer. I don't care about anything else. Give me battery life, baby.
And then it'll be bigger. Do you want that?
Hey, big is always better, right? Am I right?
Size does matter. Okay guys, dah masuk ke dalam Steve Jobs Theatre. Nampak? Inilah Steve Jobs Theatre yang kita nampak, okay, di dalam kesemua pelancaran gadget-gadget baru oleh Apple, okay. Wah, ni YouTuber Malaysia boleh sampai ke sini, okay. Kebanggaan negara kita kan? Okay.
Good morning, and welcome back to the Steve Jobs Theater.
Apa khabar semua? JengSmashpop di sini dan saya sekarang berada di Steve Jobs Theatre di Apple Park, okey, untuk melihatkan semua gadget-gadget terbaru yang baru saja dilancarkan, termasuk iPhone 14 dan juga iPhone 14 Plus, dan ada lagi iPhone 14 Pro dan juga Pro Max. Apa lagi? Ada AirPods Pro terbaru dan juga jam tangan pintar Apple Watch Series ke-8 dan juga yang terbaru Apple Watch Ultra, okey. So tunggu apa lagi? Jom kita pergi lihatkan gadget-gadget yang baru saja dilancarkan pada hari ini. Okay, I'm currently with Crystal here. Hi, Crystal.
Hello.
So, are you excited about all the things that just announced today?
Everything. I'm like, I don't even know where to begin. There's so much going on, a lot of excitement. But yeah, iPhone 14 is here.
So, is iPhone 14 the gadget that you are looking forward to this time?
Definitely, especially the Pro. I have been waiting for a purple iPhone 14 Pro for forever now, so I'm excited to see that. I am still like kind of in the between, should I go Pro or Pro Max? I switched to Pro last year, so I think I'm going to stick to the smaller iPhone, but yeah, the deep purple is looking so good.
What do you think of the Apple Watch Ultra?
Oh my gosh, I love it. I mean, I'm an Apple Watch user. I love the fitness aspect of it, so it definitely appeals to me. It's big. It's definitely big, but I'm so ready to try it out.
Okey, masa sekarang 3:30 tengah hari, sudah siap kita punya aktiviti di Apple Park dan juga di Steve Jobs Theatre. Nana pun dah banyak bershopping, nampak weh, t-shirt Apple ni beribu-ribu lemon. Okey, so sekarang masa untuk balik ke hotel, edit video, tunjuk korang gadget-gadget terbaru dan sebagainya. Okey, kalau suka vlog ni, sila share video ni kepada kawan-kawan, okey. Langgan ke channel ini, tekan butang merah di bawah video, okey. Jangan lupa, okey. Dan lihatkan di sini, Apple Park. Kacau lah. Apple Park. Okey. Selamat pagi semua. Sekarang 7:30 pagi. 8 hari bulan September. Sebelum kita bertolak pulang ke Malaysia, Apple telah setkan satu sesi yoga yang dipanggil yoga Apple Fitness Plus. Wah, okay, sebab di Malaysia kan ada Apple Fitness Plus. So diorang buatlah sesi yoga ni. So kita akan pergi bersenam sedikit sebelum kita bertolak ke airport.
Ya, kembali ke tanah air. Kita beryoga dulu.
Okay, faham. Betul lah, betul lah.
Yes! Oh my god!